Welcome! In front of me I have Suunto 9 Peak, and I'm gonna show you how to force restart this device. To force restart this device, we need to press and hold the upper button and keep holding it for about 5 to 10 seconds. So let's press and hold it, keep holding it. Then you can release the button and your watch should reboot. Basically, it will vibrate, the screen will turn off, and after a second or two, it should reboot into watch face like this. And that's how you force restart this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.